Hello, I hope you're enjoying my top tips Thermomix course. In this video, I wanted to start talking about some tips specific to the TM6, and I wanted to start with the scales test. If you're ever concerned that your scales might not be accurate, a couple of things you probably want to do is tip that puppy right up, check the feet, make sure there's not a whole stack of dirt and yuck and kitchen bench grime on it. Wipe them over. Make sure there's no tension between, you see when I'm pulling on the cord, how that's adjusting the scales. Make sure there's no tension on that cord. And if you're still concerned, there's one quick, simple tip. You take your MC off, and then you go to your scales, you tear the scales. I don't know why that keeps jumping up to 1. Anyway, you pop it on once it's teared, and if it's between 80 and 85, your scales are A-OK. Okay, give it a try.